Are you a sales rock star? Are you somebody who absolutely loves the game of sales? Loves having powerful truth-telling conversations, leading people to make great decisions in their own best interest? Are you a high-ticket closer, whatever the hell that means? Right? My name's Jim Padilla, and I run this amazing company called Gain the Edge. And we're a done-for-you outsourced sales specialist team working with clients in launches and live events and high-ticket masterminds. We focus on helping people make powerful decisions with truth-telling conversations that really make a difference. And we're all about providing results and helping people make great impact. Okay, so if this is you, if this is resonating here, then I want you to stick around for the next couple of minutes. I'm going to share the framework for an opportunity, what it looks like to possibly work in our environment. Okay, this is not an invitation to come and work with us. This is an opportunity to see if you can actually survive in our environment. Right, so I'm going to share some of our core values here. And what I want you to look for is just take it in and see how this resonates. I'm not just going to share the words. I'm going to share some examples of what they actually mean to us. And that way you can look at this and say, hell yeah, I really dig this. I resonate. Or, you know what, this just isn't me. And understand that for us, it's either a hell yes or by default, it's a hell no. We don't live in the maybe land, right? So our core values here are results, ownership, optimism, partnership, and flexibility. Okay? They're all 5 interwoven, and you can't just have one. They all tie together, right? And they have to be something that really resonates with you at your core. Okay, so first, results. We deliver on our promises, and we strive for a wow experience at every touch point with our clients. Does that resonate with you? Are you focused on delivering results or just doing your best? Right? You have to have a result in mind. It doesn't mean forcing people, but it has to be in the mindset, right? Which leads you to a place of constant and never-ending improvement as a professional to do whatever's necessary to get there, right? So it's not about, do we make sure the result always happens? It's, are we doing everything in our power to ensure we're capable of delivering the result, right? Subtle nuance, but that's part of the distinction, okay? Next, ownership. Very important key part of the whole process here. Ownership, okay? We own our responsibilities. Whether results with a no excuses mindset, right? Results with a no excuses mindset, which means there's no blame ever. There's just results. There's just solutions. No matter what you do, how well you're doing, you can always do better, right? And when you accept the responsibility, an assignment, a project, you do whatever is in your power to ensure the result happens. Here's a simple example. Okay? Our commitment to ownership in the process is we will do everything in our power to help you achieve your goals, to help you achieve the outcome, to provide the resources and the environment necessary to achieve the result. Your ownership in the process says you will deliver the result whether we help you or not. That means you're owning it, right? And understand that we're both in that same game, right? We're all here to win. Okay. Next, partnership. We build a collaborative, trusting relationships with all of our partners, right? While appreciating and honoring each other's differences. Partnerships with our team, partnerships with our clients, right? None of this can be done alone. If you're a lone ranger, this probably won't work for you. Okay? This is about team, community, partnership, and up-leveling everybody. Understanding the concept that the rising tide lifts all boats. Right? And everybody here has to be sold out for the benefit of everyone else. Example, you show up for training calls for what you can get from it? Do you show up to the environment for what you can gain? Or do you show up for what you can give, for what you can contribute? Knowing that everybody else is showing up with the same mindset so that you will get what you need because everybody else is taking care of it. You just won't have to provide it for you, right? Different, subtle shift mindset, right? Again, how is this resonating with you? Okay, next, flexibility. Okay, we are nimble, right? We move quickly, adapt quickly to meet the needs and the expectations of our clients and each other. Right? We have to be able to move. It simply means yesterday we may have said, you have to go right. And tomorrow, because there's a change, it means, guess what? We need to go left now. And it's not about, all the problems that are involved with it. It's how do we get from right to left as efficiently and powerfully as possible to get the result. That's it. Flexibility, power. Okay. And next, the thing that comes with it here, optimism. You cannot embrace flexibility without having insane optimism. Okay. We seek to find the positive opportunity in every situation. Every situation. Right? Complaint and blame has no place here. It's just not how we work. Right? A simple example that I like to use, a little drastic, but gets the point home. If we're here right now, right this minute, as you're watching this video, your dog takes a dump on your rug. The first thought running through your mind should be, wow, I've been waiting to get a new rug. Right? Something along those lines. Or, oh, awesome, my dog is healthy and vibrant. But not, oh man, I messed up, I did this, the stupid dog, or whatever. How you embrace the environment, how you respond to it will also help elevate it, right? And not understanding that that's what sales is about. It's about truth-telling conversations, powerful conversations that make a difference for people. Right? Moving people to a place where they can make the best possible decision and deliver an outcome that moves them powerfully, that inspires them to do something. And people make better decisions when they're positive in the mindset as opposed to negative. And they're going to feed off of you because we are, as human beings, we are all designed to sync up with nature, with each other, with God, right? So if you're at a high vibration because you're in a total positive mindset and you're bringing the right framework to the conversation and you're talking to somebody and they sync up with you, now they're elevating at a higher vibration because you've got them there. Now they can make great decisions from that place. So if this is all resonating with you, if you're feeling, yeah, I dig this, Jim, this is good. I love this. I really want to find out more. Scroll down here. There's a recording, like a 13-minute recording down that tells a little bit more about what we're doing. Check that out. See if that really fits with you and then book a conversation. And those are your next steps here. Okay, don't skip that. Please make sure that happens. If you're not resonating with this at all, even if a part of you is off, remember, if it's not a hell yes, by default, it's a hell no. And there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with you. If it doesn't fit, that's fantastic. There's plenty of other places for you to land. Okay? It just won't work here. So we look forward to seeing you on the other side.